In this video, let us explore how to create keygen SSH public and private key and how to add public key to GitHub. Okay, for that purpose, first we need to open the command prompt. We need to open the command prompt. Once after opening the command prompt, we need to type the command keygen-ssh. We need to type the command keygen-ssh, or we need to type the command SSH-keygen. Okay. As soon as if we can type SSH-keygen, it is asking enter the file in which save the key. If you can provide any file name, yes, it is going to save the key in that respective file name, or by default it is going to save it in a id_ed25519.pub. In this particular file name it is going to save. Okay, and since we are already created this particular key, it is asking us to overwrite. Yes, click on overwrite. Once after key has entered into the one particular file called id_ed25519.pub file, so it is asking for the passphrase. What is the meaning of passphrase? Means it is a additional authentication. So because SSH is the more secured one, so by using passphrase we can provide the additional authentication. Here I am just providing a 4-digit one unique number. The same number, so anything you can able to enter, any character, alphanumeric, anything else you can enter. I just provided year, one particular year I have provided. You can provide anything. Yes, the key has generated. Okay, once the key has public and private key has generated, we need to go this particular path, and there we can able to see id_ed25519.pub file is available. So now you can open this particular Explorer window, C drive, users, under users prob. Here there is a file called .ssh. If you can't able to see this .ssh, please go to view, show hidden items, because .ssh is a hidden item. So open the .ssh. See here the file called id_ed25519.pub. There is a public key was stored here. Right click and edit with Notepad or Notepad++. Yes, this is the key has generated. Copy this particular key and add this public key into GitHub. So how we can able to add means, go to GitHub account, go to profile here, settings. So here there is an icon called profile. So here we can able to see the username. So there is an option called settings. Under settings there is an option called SSH and GPG keys. Click on this particular option, and there is a button called new SSH key. Click on it and provide the title, Playwright Python Automation. Provide the name Playwright Python Automation, and key type. There are two types of keys are available: authentication key, one more called signing key. Always provide authentication key and paste your authentication key. And while copy the key, please don't take any space or anything. You should be very much careful. Suppose along with the space, if you can copy, it doesn't work. And click on button add SSH key in order to add this SSH public key into our GitHub. Yes, key has added. Once after adding the key, we need to go for create repository in the GitHub now. Okay, in this particular video, what are the activities we have done means, we have generated the SSH-keygen. So we need to change it to SSH-keygen. So we need to open the command prompt and type the command. What is the command? SSH-keygen. And you no need to provide any file name. In the existing file only it should write the public key. That's the reason just press enter. It's telling it's already exist. Should you need to overwrite? Yes, click on Y. It will be writing the which one, the public key into one particular file. And provide your passphrase. Any some unique value you can just provide. That is the additional authentication on top of your username password. This is an additional authentication. This authentication we can able to use for whenever you can do the clone, whenever you are pushing the changes into the GitHub. At that time we need to provide this passphrase. Okay, once after creating this particular the public and public key, now we need to go for GitHub and we need to add. Okay, thank you.